right, guys. Welcome back to Whiskey TV. Oh, you good, man? I didn't get enough of me.
Fucking shoulders are so big.
Now, this is a Green River special release.
Yeah, it was. I was actually a little disappointed I didn't get one of these, but I also didn't know they were doing it. But I think they only released like 20 bottles or something.
Oh, really?
So this was. So if you go, they've got a new location
Dude,
in Whiskey Row. They didn't have them there. That's what I asked for because I thought, it's at their new location, Whiskey Row in downtown Louisville. They have a cool little speakeasy, fill your own bottle experience, which you can see people doing that, and it looks really cool. I thought that was at their distillery, but it wasn't. So they have these old school decanters, and then they were filling, I think, of their wheated bourbon, like a 7-year wheated bourbon that everybody's raving about. And Mark was going nuts over this. So this is compliments of my brother Chris. So they tried it, and everybody said it is worth the hype. So I said, hey, let me take this real quick, and we're cracking a bunch of stuff. Let's do a little review on it.
Do a little review. Now, Green River is a place that you currently bought some barrels from, and you've enjoyed some of the whiskey clubs that have been enjoying the whiskey. And we got to personally try their whiskey that we were like, wow, this could be.
It's underrated.
Yeah, there you have it.
Even their regular stuff that we were trying after the tour.
It was good.
I don't know if it was Bottle and Bond or like some of their shelfers. Yeah, maybe even 90 proof. It was super impressive. And it was like a $35 price point. It was like, man.
Which is one of those things from what I've learned from Tim and guys like Chance. It's like, hey, if I was going to buy something to keep on the shelf for people that want to drink.
Price point, age statement, mash bill, none of that equals quality. But you got to find the stuff that is quality. And when you find the stuff that, you already started? We didn't even pray first.
Dear Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for these booze.
Ooh, the nose is great. But when you find stuff at a low cost that you can get, I mean, it's stock up because that's going to change eventually.
That's the thing that I learned too, because you guys, when I first got with you, let's say last year, just learning about whiskey, you guys talked about how everyone's price went up, if not double. $30 bottles are now 40 or 50, or $50 bottles are now 80 and 90.
Oh yeah, easy. Oh wow,
that's a really good weed.
That's why, and I'm not even a whiskey guy, people, but I was like, oh, that's got some crazy flavor to it.
Yeah, that's good. So that's 116.8 proof.
So that's a barrel proof weeder.
That's a barrel proof weeder that's got tons of flavor, and you can't taste the weed either.
It's changing. It's getting fruity at the end.
So this is a buy, a must have if you can get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get one of those for sure.
How much is this running? Do you know?
I have no clue.
Like $65.
Wow! Yeah. Oh my! See that, people? Look, this is no act. When you get this type of whiskey at this flavor profile, even with that cask strength,
and we're about to do several reviews.
Almost better. I was like, don't drink because I'm gonna choke.
And I'm willing to bet that there will be some underhyped things like this. And there will be some overhyped things,
and higher price,
and maybe not.
Yeah.
Definitely higher price than this. All of them are higher price than that. But I bet there's going to be some much higher priced bottles that we try. That in a blind, this would beat it.
Absolutely,
100%. Because I feel like you don't know if this is you wouldn't know technically if it's a wheat, a rye, or a bourbon. It just tastes good. Now, you would know because you're a technician.
Yeah, it's sweet wheat.
Yeah,
Now, these guys are veterans. Now, if you don't mind, walk them through, both of you, if you can, in a quick form, what you look for in terms of hype versus like, oh, that's a buy. Because some people have different perspectives and gauges, if you would, on like, oh, that's some bullshit, they were lying, or like, damn.
Yeah, I think FOMO or availability and price point kind of determines the hype on it. So like right now, Green River's flying under the radar, meaning they can put out some stuff like this, and like they're the ones that should have had a line.
Yeah,
like everybody should be running out. When they scan their badge and get in, they should be running in line for this.
Facts.
At a $65 price point.
No brainer.
We're about to try other things that other people were running, and some of them will likely be good. Yeah. I'd be shocked if all of them can beat this.
It's really good.
And that says a lot coming from a guy who literally makes
Yeah,
every
that's cool.
whiskey choice matter. It all has to be great. Otherwise, it doesn't get bottled at the Blendery, which by now, if you've got a bottle, you know that. But even more importantly, to say that this can outbeat and outperform some of the ones that had almost hour lines.
Yeah, and you can do that stuff on your own. That's
Yeah.
easy. Like have somebody line up 3 or 4 glasses and blind you. Like throw that in a blind lineup of stuff 4 times that price, and I bet it doesn't lose.
Yeah, and the great thing about KBF is, and your place too, try before you buy.
Oh, yeah.
We got to try so many things today, and I said no on a lot of them just because I tried it. You know,
But had you not tried it, you might have spent more money thinking,
Oh, yeah.
I got to buy that because, and then you go,
What-
hell no.
What did you try that you didn't like enough to buy?
we're gonna call out names here.
Hey,
You are. I'll call them out. I don't know.
Chances
Nobody
no.
pays me
Hey,
to say anything.
nobody's going to stop you from buying their stuff. It's like, what are they going to do? Send the whiskey police to your house?
This is your opinion. It's
All right.
not everybody's opinion.
I
So
gotta
it's-
look, Chances new to the social media.
So very muchly hyped was the Bardstown Disco 13, the first double oaked Bardstown that came out. Right, I tried Bardstown Disco 13.
So now this is kind of cool. This is kind of cool because Bardstown owns Green River, so people might be saying, "Oh, now that you're buying barrels from Green River, you're a little biased."
No.
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 Because
So-
this is the same company that he's saying overhyped on one of their bottles too.
Yeah.
So this is unbiased stuff here.
Yeah,
It's all
and I
about-
tried it, and I was like, I'll pass. I was like, what else do you have? And they honestly gave me a collaborative, which was a Ferran finish, rum finish, and I'm a big rum fan, so I tried that one.
Well, that's not rum.
Ferran.
That's a
Cognac?
Yeah.
Cognac, yeah. Sorry.
French
You've been
oak.
saying rum all day. Now
Yeah.
we know it wasn't rum. Good thing that wasn't on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, there's going
Only
to be some
twice.
fact checking on some of this.
Hey, and check us out. Comment below.
I
Argue if you want.
I watched some of your videos from last night. Like every third word he said was like incorrect.
It happens.
That's what I love, people.
Long
whenever
days.
Whenever you're doing this
Yeah,
thing
long
called
days.
Long
social,
days in Kentucky.
social media, look, I keep telling people have fun. Make sure you're with people that can have fun, and not make a mockery of what you're doing, but just like, here's a guy in the middle who knows a lot about whiskey. I'm the idiot who's drinking as much as I can and teaching as best I can.
But I'm not normally, but I'm interested in the Discovery series. I have been for a long time. And
Well, there's some bangers.
Were you at the Blendery when we cracked the Discovery 3?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. That was last week, I think. Yeah, Discovery 3 is one of my favorites. Discovery 4 is great. 11, I think, is great. 11 had some wild turkey, like some good wild turkey in it, really good.
So, and Discovery is a series that they have?
Yeah, Discovery series. Yeah, to where they're sourcing whiskey and they put on the side of the bottle what the blend is, which I appreciate. I look at that stuff all the time.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's cool to see, and they won't say what it is, but you know where it's distilled and what the mash bill is, how old it is, and
Kinda
you can
figure it out.
Yeah, you can figure it out.
There you have it, guys. Well, again, we just cracked Green River.
Yeah.
Big thanks to Tim's brother Chris, who allowed us to
If you can get that one,
grab it.
that's a buy all day.
That's a buy all day, and they have some others that we don't know the names of, but Green Rivers might be something you're walking past and should investigate. Until next time, people, as you see them pour it up, grab it, share it with some friends, and keep it whiskey.